it seems we have an issue with one of the app servers that is running Apache server on them. So let's try to reach uh, Apache server on 6300 port. So let's do that. So we use curl command to reach app servers on 6300 port. Okay, STApp01 is not reachable. Let's check other one. STApp02 is fine. App server 3 is fine. So we have problem with app server 1. So let's connect to the machine first. Turning STApp01. Then we can figure out the status of the service. Then let's look into the logs to find out the issue. So if I try to start that systemctl start http, because these are all these app servers are running CentOS, so that's why we can look for httpd. If it is Ubuntu, you can look for Apache 2. So in this case httpd. Okay, it's not up, so let's check the status. Okay, so if you look into the logs, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to do use journalctl -u and service name. So this one gives, so status failure. Okay, what could be the possible reason? So directive globally to surprise. Okay, if you look over here, it says that address already in use. So this port 6300 is already in use. That's why we're not able to use the port. So let's to look the listening ports, we can do netstat tunnel b. Yeah, you can look over here. You can filter it with the grep command, grep 6300. Okay, now we got that port, and that's PID, processing ID, processor ID. So this is the process. So you can do, you just need to kill the process to make the port free. Okay, now we can start our HTTPD service again. If I start, if I look the status now, it must be up and running. So it's up and running now. If I come back here, if I do curl st, now I'm able to access that app server 1. So let's see task results. I'm sure it's gonna be done. Okay, that's it. Thank you for your time.